How to delete photos on Messenger from both sides. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this tutorial video, I'll show you how to delete photos on Messenger from both sides on quick way. So watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tech and tips videos. First, launch Facebook Messenger app on your device. Make sure to log into your account and locate the chat where you have to say the photos and you want to delete on Messenger from both sides. Open it by tapping on it. Suppose this is the photo that I want to unchain or delete from both sides. Then tap and hold on that photo and tap more button at bottom right corner of the screen. A pop-up menu box appears that says so many options like forward, bump, unsend, and details. So to delete from both sides, tap on send button. And here are the two options, that is to unsend for everyone and for you only. So let's tap on unsend for everyone. And this photo has been deleted on Messenger from both sides. So that was quite easy. So I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.